Hello everybody, welcome back to Geo Flight Simulator. We're going to be flying the tollis A320neo out of San Francisco. Alright, adjust full power and toga. What I love about the tollis A320neo is the shark. Whoa, we already climbed to 80 knots. Cross-checked. V1, rotate. The cockpit view of the tollis. Start our right. Oh, so we're still hand flying the airplane. Our flight will be out to Sacramento today. We'll be flying over to Sacramento. It's a beautiful view in Sacramento. Climb to 10,000 feet. Alright, climb to 10,000. Climbing to 10,000 feet. Alright, so we are gonna, according to our maps, we're gonna be starting, we're gonna continue to do it for 10,000 feet. This tollis. So we're gonna continue straight. So we're gonna start our right hand turn, which means once we get towards Antioch, we should be starting our descent into Sacramento today. In the beautiful tollis A320neo. It's a really nice. This is a tollis A320. If we show you the wing view, this is a good wing view. It's a really nice. It should be according to what our maps says. We're gonna descend, right? It's a really nice. Looks like it wants to turn. So we should be starting. All right. Now we are going to be starting our left hand, which means we're handful. The airplane's flying. It's oh my gosh. We're still maintaining. Climb the flight level 3240. Alright, we are climbing the flight level 360 at altimeter 2190. 2190. the altimeter of 2,190 feet. The altimeter. Alright, so we're climbing to 38,000 feet. To 40th. Pretty cool. This is a beautiful view of the tollis A320. Whoa. That's a tollis. If I were you, I would start. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a captain speaking. We are going to be starting our descent shortly into Sacramento, because we're getting close towards Sacramento, and we're starting our turn. And we're at our cruising altitude of 40,000 feet. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We're gonna be arriving in Sacramento shortly in about 15, 20 minutes. We're expecting this to be an hour and 30-minute flight, but it's a short flight. We'll be leaving shortly. Oh shoot, I forgot to say that. The tollis A319. I wish there was a tollis A320. Regular A320. Alright, we have reached the cruise.